How to manage security settings on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three dots. After you click on the three dots, now go down here and click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is it will take you to this page. Go right here and choose the second option, privacy, search and services. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find security options, and right here you can manage all the security options easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.